Every trader starts the day with the same hope: quicker trades, faster profits, fewer complications. But somewhere along the way, it starts to feel like driving through traffic with 10 GPS apps talking at once. That's where TraderSmith takes a different approach. TraderSmith is a focused stock recommendation service built exclusively for swing trading. No clutter, no confusion. And here's how it does that. TraderSmith delivers actionable swing trading recommendations that help you capitalize on short-term market volatility while staying aligned with the proven O'Neill methodology. Fast Trades gives full transparency into earlier recommendations, showing entries, stop losses, targets, and outcomes, so you can understand the strategy in action. With real-time alerts, subscribers get alerts for buying, selling, and profit booking, helping you act at the right moment without constant screen watching. TraderSmith follows a risk-managed approach. Trades are based on technical signals and disciplined market timing, not predictions or guesswork. Positions are typically held for 5 to 10 days, sometimes longer, with strict loss control and favorable reward potential. TraderSmith is designed for traders who value clarity, discipline, and consistency over complexity and overanalysis. Explore what's inside TraderSmith today and trade with confidence and control.